Okay, 2017 Toyota RAV4. We're gonna reset the oil maintenance light. So if you go inside the car, you put the key on. Let me close the door. We gotta have the door closed. If you put the key on, let's say we start the engine, let's put the key on only, and you're gonna have a light similar to this. Maintenance required. Visit your dealer. Okay, this is a RAV4 2017. Let me show you that again. Maintenance required. So we're gonna reset that light. If you have a 2013 to 2017, it's gonna be similar procedure. Okay, so we're gonna be using these buttons right here, this pad right here, up, down, left, right, and enter. All right, my light's gonna reflect, so I'm gonna try to put the light away, and when I say up, it's up, down, right, and left. Okay, so let's put the key on, accessory on, engine off. Wait a moment. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press this button right here, this one right here, and that's gonna take us to a screen similar to that. Then you can press any of these buttons. Let's press down, and it's gonna turn into something similar to that. All right, so right now you see the I for the information. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll to the right. We're gonna go into the gearbox right there. Once you go in that gear, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna find vehicle settings, and you're gonna hit enter here and schedule maintenance, and you're gonna press go up with this, and then press yes. The data has been reset. All right, there you go. Now if you turn off the engine, accessory, and start up the engine, you should not have that maintenance light no more. All right, very simple. Those are the simple procedures, and we're all done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.